Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete board on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open your Pinterest application. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the board that you want to delete. Once you have chosen the board, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on Edit Board. Then tap on the Delete option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Delete button once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.